Hello everyone, and how are you today? We are going to do another very fast, easy, inexpensive DIY. Okay, as some of you know that follow me as of late, the decor that I'm going to use in my living room for Halloween is kind of a mix of like 50s retro, 50s, 60s retro, and witches. Now, not just any witches, but certain witches. One being the witch from The Wizard of Oz. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put her head in this apothecary jar. Some black tulle for the back of it. And I have this hat from the 99-cent store. So I'll be back. I'm going to cut out, well, you know what? I don't know yet. I'm going to get the tulle and then I'll be back. Okay, I got my tulle. I always get it at Hobby Lobby when it's on sale. This is regular $3.99. On sale it's 50% off. You get 25 yards. This is the way to go when you buy tulle. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to unravel some of this. Okay. Put it in here for now. And now I want to see, because this, okay, to make this fit, I had to turn this under, but that's not going to be a big deal because the hat is going to go on top of this, but I am going to cut around this a little bit. Because first of all, you don't want to see the white from the paper, right? But I'm not going to cut all of it off because I want to see how it looks before I do any more cutting. All right, I'm going to cut down a little bit more, get her situated, and then we'll put the tulle, and then we'll decide what we're going to put on the outside. Okay, so I have this tape just a little bit at the top. So there she is in the apothecary, okay? So now I'm going to put in the tulle that I cut. And then all you'll see is the tulle in the back. You won't see the paper. So I'm going to get the tulle done and I'll be back and we'll put her hat on. Okay, so here she is in the apothecary jar, okay? And then we're going to put on the hat, which now you can see the top isn't going to matter where I taped it, and then all you see is black from the tulle. And what I might do, and this hat has little lights on it. See? Do you see that? Well, I'll show you when I'm done. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to decide what I want to do with the hat. And when I decide, actually I want that to go around the back so you don't see where that light is. So I'm going to figure out the hat, and when I have that done, I'll bring you back. Okay. And there she is in all her glory. So here's the hat from the 99-cent store, and I just put a spider from the Dollar Tree and a black rose from the 99-cent store. And then she's just in one of my apothecary jars, and I put a black rose by her face, and there's a little spider from the Dollar Tree. So that is my Wicked Witch of the West from The Wizard of Oz. Only thing it cost me was the spider, because I had the hat, and it was just a printout. So I hope that you'll try this if you have a Halloween party. This would be really cool. Or you could take a picture of yourself or a loved one and just print it out and put it in the jar. So think about that one. So guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget it. Talk to you soon.